One of the most important steps to get approved for a credit card is to fill out the application form correctly. A credit card application form is a document that asks you for your personal, financial, and employment information. The credit card issuer will use this information to evaluate your creditworthiness and decide whether to approve or deny your application. In this section, I will show you how to fill out a credit card application form correctly and avoid common mistakes that could hurt your chances of getting approved. First, you need to review the credit agreement before completing or signing the application. The credit agreement is usually found in the last section of the application. It contains the terms and conditions of the credit card, such as the interest rate, fees, rewards, and other features. You should read this carefully and make sure you understand what you are agreeing to. Second, you need to provide your personal information. The application will ask you for your name, address, phone number, email address, date of birth, and social security number. You should fill in this information accurately and honestly. If you provide false or incomplete information, you could face legal consequences or have your application rejected. Third, you need to give your employment history. The application will ask you for your current employer's name, address, and phone number, as well as your occupation, income, and how long you have been working there. You may also need to provide information about your previous employers if you have changed jobs recently. You should be prepared to provide proof of income, such as pay stubs or tax returns, if requested by the issuer. Fourth, you need to provide your financial information. The application will ask you for your monthly expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, car payments, and other debts. You will also need to disclose your bank accounts, assets, and investments. This information will help the issuer determine your debt-to-income ratio, which is a measure of how much of your income goes toward paying off your debts. Fifth, you need to submit the form and authorization to a financial institution. You can apply for a credit card online, by phone, or by mail. Depending on the method you choose, you may need to sign the form electronically or physically. You will also need to authorize the issuer to check your credit reports and scores from one or more of the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This is called a hard inquiry, and it will temporarily lower your credit scores by a few points. Sixth, you need to wait for an answer. The issuer will review your application and decide whether to approve or deny it. This could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few weeks, depending on the issuer and the type of card you applied for. You will receive a notification by email, phone, or mail with the decision. If you are approved, you will also receive your new credit card and a welcome package with more details about your account. These are the 6 steps to fill out a credit card application form correctly and avoid common mistakes. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of getting approved for a credit card and enjoy its benefits.